All right, everybody. We got Milo and I here. He's ready to get his treat. We are going to do another Transfer Tuesday video, and in this week's Transfer Tuesday, I've been able to move a lot of money in comparison to what I have been in the past towards investing and saving. So I hope you guys can stick around. And Milo's getting a little impatient. He wants his treat. So here you go, buddy. There he goes. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael, and I've recently paid off over $140,000 worth of student loan debt, and I'm now on a journey to increase my net worth to be valued at over $1 million. Some of the ways that I'm focusing on and using to get to that $1 million mark with my net worth is through both the savings and investing avenues of finance. Now, obviously, it goes without saying that it's going to take a lot more time to save $1 million than it is to invest and have my net worth grow that way. However, I'm using both of these strategies, savings more so to keep myself out of future debt, and investing to propel myself forward with my net worth so that I have interest gained in my favor rather than against me. So in today's Transfer Tuesday, I'm going to be moving money from my local bank account where my paychecks go, both for my side hustle income paychecks and my regular W-2 earning job. Money is going to be coming out of my local bank account and going into two separate avenues to give you guys an update of where I'm at currently with both my savings investment goal for the month of my dog is tangled up in the microphone, for the month of August. So far this month, I have been able to contribute $583 combined, both savings and investments, towards those avenues. And my goal is to have a combined savings and investment contributions of $3,000 each month. Now, this month, I don't think I'm going to be hitting that. We're going to be going on vacation, actually a rather big vacation. It's the first time we've ever flown. So I don't think I'm going to be hitting $3,000. Anyway, we are going to get down to the first transfer in today's Transfer Tuesday style video, moving money from my local bank account. And this first transfer is going to be going to, once again, Ally Savings Bank. I like using them because they gain me interest on my savings way more than what my local bank account does. So I think it's like 4.1% interest on the money I have in there. So other than money I'm putting in there today is going to be going towards a car fund, a Christmas fund. It doesn't matter because it's going to be gaining me 4.1% interest, which is better than my local bank account where it is currently sitting. So anyway, I'm transferring $500 today to go into the Ally Savings Bank. And I'm specifically putting it into the bucket in the account or the sinking fund labeled vehicle. And that's because, as I've shared before on this channel, one of my savings goals, like what am I saving up for, just not to have sitting on money, sitting on cash, but I have a savings goal of hopefully being able to purchase a new vehicle for my wife. Her vehicle, it's kind of showing signs that eventually it's going to need to be replaced. And instead of getting to that point and then having no backup cash to help cover a vehicle and having to take out a large loan, I don't want to do that. I've done that before, and thankfully I was able to pay off that loan rather quickly. I don't want to do that again. I'd rather have a surplus of cash to put towards the vehicle. That way, if we do have to take out a loan, the monthly payments are pretty low and we can pay it off from there. If we are doing the math and keeping track, so far this month, that is $1,083 transferred thus far in the month of August with both savings and investments. Let's now look at the second transfer for today's Transfer Tuesday. And this specific transfer is going towards my Roth IRA. This is the investment side of today's Transfer Tuesday. As I've stated in other videos so far, that I don't really have a set plan for investments. What I mean by that is that I don't have like a taxable brokerage account that I'm putting money towards to increase the amount of stocks I own with a particular company. I'm simply just doing both a 401k and a Roth IRA currently, which I know those are both two types of retirement accounts. If anyone would like to share their comments and thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below, go ahead and do so on what you guys think I should invest in. And what I mean by that is other than my Roth IRA and 401k accounts, because at this point, I'm maxing out my company contribution on the 401k, and this year I'm going to be maxing out my Roth IRA, which I've never been able to do both of those ever before in the same year, and I've never actually maxed out my Roth IRA altogether. So if you guys have comments or suggestions on other investment avenues that aren't completely full risk and maybe reward, be sure to leave those down in the comment section below so that I have an idea of what else is out there. All right, so today's second transfer, because I don't think I even mentioned that, I just kind of got rambling. The second amount of money that I was able to take from my local bank account and put into my Roth IRA today is $500 going into my Roth IRA today. And that money is actually being transferred from the bank account to the account first in M1 Finance, and then it gets invested from there into the 4 different ETFs I have that the money is then designated to go to. So I think at 3 o'clock today, I'm filming this on a Monday, at 3 o'clock today, that investment will go through and be purchased with all the different ETFs and the percentages that they are allocated at. So that brings the total amount of money that I was able to transfer today, both in savings and investments, to $1,000 transferred here. What is this, the second week or the third week of August? And I'm pretty impressed with that number so far, because if we add today's amount of money transferred, invested, and the previous amount that I have in August thus far, $583 last video and $1,000 today, we now have $1,583 transferred thus far this month, with, of course, as I stated in the beginning of the video, my goal being $3,000 every single month, combined savings and investments. I stated earlier, I didn't think I was going to be able to do that because of the going on vacation, and I want to have money to cover those and not drop my bank account too low. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again to a Transfer Tuesday style video. I know these ones aren't the most exciting to watch, but I appreciate those random comments I get sometime down in the comment section. You know, new subscribers coming in saying they just found this channel and that they're excited to see how the journey's going. They're trying to get caught up. I really appreciate that. I'm really excited that, you know, I have people still watching this channel even after all the big exciting stuff with my student loans has that's kind of ancient history or old history at this point. So I appreciate you guys still tuning in, liking the videos, subscribing, commenting. It's all very encouraging to me. And yeah, I'm hoping to get to $1 million with my net worth. And it's going to be a slow journey. It's not going to happen this year unless something totally crazy happens. But I appreciate you guys joining me along for the ride of these slow, consistent steps to get my net worth up to $1 million. So stay tuned along for the ride and how it's going. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.